Why hello everyone, my name's Alice, I'm a third year journalism student here at the University of Sheffield, and today I have an online lecture. Yes, you heard me correctly, online, because Corona has hit. So far in the first few weeks of online uni, there've been a few hiccups in the road, mostly me just getting very confused and clicking on the wrong sessions, but you know, that's a me problem. But we're now a few weeks into the new semester, so that's kind of been ironed out a bit now. So, to give you a real taster about what online lectures are all about and what it's kind of like being at university in the times of coronavirus, I'm going to bring you along to one of my workshops today. This workshop is part of my visual journalism module, which sounds very fancy. It's very much a very practical module, so I'm interested to see how that's going to work at home opposed to being in university with all of the equipment and stuff. So yeah, strap yourselves in, ladies and gents, and I'll bring you along for the journey. Let's get cracking. This transition would have been a lot smoother if I had a swivel chair, but you know, university life. So let me tell you a little bit more about this visual journalism workshop. Today I've got a workshop that is all about making a TV OOV, which stands for out of vision. This is all very boring journalism talk, but the long and short of it is that the other day I did some filming and an interview at an independent business in Sheffield. Under the guidance of the department, it was all completely safe, completely socially distanced, but today I have the workshop where I'm going to be editing through it. The session will start with a talk with the lecturer where he'll give us a bit of a brief, a bit of a down low about what exactly we need to be doing. I don't know why I said that so weirdly. And then he'll be contactable throughout the whole workshop so that if we have any questions or we want to go over anything, he'll be there to answer them. But anyway, this is my very glamorous work from home position. But now I'm about 3 minutes away from the start of the workshop, so I'm just gonna log in to the Blackboard Collaborate session. I'm joining the course room now. There we go. I'm in. Amazing. Okay, the pro of all of this working from home is that a lot of the lecturers have pets, and currently my workshop leader's cat is making an appearance in his camera, which I'm very happy about. Okay. First 20 minutes of the lecture is done. Completed it, mate. So I've just been taking some notes on what my workshop leader has said, and he gave us some really helpful tips and information in there. I asked a little question by just typing it in the box. I feel like I know what I've got to be doing, but if not, my lecturer is always there on the video call software. So if needed, I can just go holler and be like, hey, what's the answer to this question? Very good. So now it's time to start some editing, which is very exciting. I'm going to start off by going through all of the clips that I recorded the other day, making a note of which ones were my best shots, that kind of thing. And as well, we've also got some videos that our workshop leader pre-recorded that I might go over again. I watched them before, but it might just be helpful to garner any last minute tips from that again. Okay, that was really straightforward. Did that quicker than anticipated. Now what I'm going to do actually is have a go at writing a bit of a script. So I'm going to start having a little type, see what I can come up with, and then I'm going to do the really fun thing of recording myself as a reporter. We'll see how that goes. Okay, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm just going to send that over to my computer and then I'm going to edit that in. Okay, it's pretty much done. Let's go and have a little debrief, shall we? Let me bring you over here. Welcome to my office. So, 2 hours later and I'm officially finished with my workshop. In all honesty, it really didn't feel that different from being in the building. I had the software, I had the teacher on hand. It was really run identically to how it would have been if we had the session in person. I'm actually like really happy with the outcome of my video. This time next week we have another workshop where we will get individual feedback with our workshop leader, which will be really helpful as well. I just really didn't think practical learning would work virtually very well, but I just have been proven wrong. This was definitely the most practical task I've had to do through online learning, and it went really smoothly, and honestly it's made me feel a lot better about all of the practical modules I have this year. So yeah, we love a surprise good outcome, and I'm really happy with my video as well. I just hope my workshop leader likes it too. For now though, I'm gonna yeet because I've got a FaceTime call organised with my pals who I'm doing a group project with, so we've got some magazine discussions to start having. But other than that, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope online lecture life treats you well and that this video was at least a little bit helpful. I'll see you next time everyone. Okay, bye!